Hey guys, so today's video, I basically was about to get ready to film a different video, and then I realized I have all these products that I get, of course, from like the PR brand packages things. There's so many that I haven't tried yet, and I figured why not turn that into some sort of a tutorial situation. Like people do that, right? It's like first impression thingies. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this, but the whole point is I'm trying products I've never tried before, or I've tried once and just want to compile into a tutorial for you guys. Just a caveat, these might not be new products. They might just be products that are new to me. Also, because I feel like in case you're rude and don't watch this full video, I'm gonna say it now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. It would mean the world to me. So I'm in my robe, my hair's up, I'm getting ready, I'm trying new products, we're doing it. So first up is the FARSALI Volcanic Elixir. My girlfriend Shy, who's in here right now, can you just say hi? But she just told me the Volcanic Elixir from FARSALI is actually meant to be used at nighttime. We'll see how this goes because apparently it's not meant to be used for underneath your makeup. It's just thicker. I just used 3, this is 4. Let's see what it does. I wonder if it's the same thing where you can like put it on your beauty blender and stuff to like make it wet. I mean, in terms of how it feels and all that, like no different from the other ones. It has a different scent to it because you know the FARSALI has like a very specific scent. I guess I can't really say anything. Let's see how it works with the rest of the makeup situation. Okay, next up, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. Shy, how many different shades are there? 30. Oh my God, you should always just be there. This is convenient and amazing. They have 30 different shades, you guys, and I think that that is so incredible, and it has SPF 15 in it. I have to put it on properly to know if I think it's incredible. This is the first time I'm wearing it without just on my swatches on my hand, so we'll see what we think. I'm using the shade Golden on my face, and the way I like to put on foundation is dotting it like so, and then blending with the Beauty Blender just to make sure I'm getting the most optimal amount. Okay, now that I look like I have chicken pox, it's time to get my Beauty Blender out. Oh, you guys, they have like this new packaging that says Beauty Queen because they are the OG beauty queens and the first original beauty sponge. Shy just went and like wet this for me and it's just so good. If you don't know this, I have a video on my channel. Beauty blenders are supposed to double in size before you use them. I think that's the biggest issue when people are like, I don't get it. Why isn't it working the way you make it work? You put it underneath the sink and make it double in size before you use it, and then it turns into this magicalness that like you dab, dab, dab on your face. See the dabbing situation? I have some other ones that I like, but none of them compare to this. And maybe I'm a creature of habit and that's why, but from my perspective, nothing gives me as flawless of coverage. I mean, I could use Cool Golden. You know what? I probably should have just tested Cool Golden. Oops. So maybe that's gonna be less yellow because at least on my monitor, I look really yellow. I don't know what it's gonna look like for you guys on the screen. There's very few brands I can say that really have to their core made products that are meant for women of color, and Bobbi Brown is definitely one of them. I know it looks this way, but the Fenty looks this way in the beginning too, but then once it's all done, it all evens out. So I'm just gonna keep going. So now I'm going to try the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define, which is like totally all the buzz right now, you guys. Like everyone is talking about this product. So I will say I used this for the first time yesterday. It's the shades C10 and C13. I have to say I don't get the obsession. Or maybe it's because I just have really dark circles, and so maybe somebody who like doesn't, this is better because it's not as heavy under the eye. I feel like I got C13 and C10, but if there was a shade in between, that's the one I would be. See, the story of my life. I'm always the shade in between that doesn't exist. Shade aside, I see creases, wrinkles, and grayness and not enough coverage. Okay, next I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Flour Better Not Bitter. Baking is like not a normal part of like my life, but again, I'm testing out new things for you guys. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and sort of bake it out and see what I think. I don't really even know what baking means, whatever. This is what the people do though. Next up, I'm going to try out this L'Oreal Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara. That's cool. So what I'm gonna do first just to try it is see what it looks like on one brow with just this, but usually with products like this, I use them after I fill in my brows to kind of give that feathery, volumized brow look, but let's just see what it looks like without. Okay, so far I'm here for this. Dark brunette is what I have right now. That is some brows. Hello. So my recommendation of this product, and I don't even know what the brand says about it, is to, because it just gets a little intense, you can use it on its own, but I feel like I prefer to like lightly use it rather than to fill in because it gets a little harsh. I'm not mad at my brows. Okay, wait, let me dust off this situation under my eye. Figure out if we like this Beauty Bakerie thing. It's the second time I'm using it. Like, it's fine, right? The Beauty Bakerie stuff is fine. I just like don't think it's anything revolutionary to anything else I've ever tried out there, but it does have a yellow undertone to it. Does it set anything better than anything else I've used? I can't say the answer is yes. Okay, I need to find a contour product. Oh, but you know what? Let me just kind of even out my skin with this MAC Sun Power. See, y'all thought it wasn't gonna even out. It always evens out. I know it looks crazy in the process of, but then a little bronzing situation. It really brightens underneath your eye too. Carry it through to the neck area. Okay, so next up, I want to show you guys the Jouer Flirt Blush Duo Blush. This blush I've used for a few days now, and I'm so into it. Again, like every time you guys ask me to do a video on blushes, I haven't done it, and it's not like I'm ignoring you. I just truly can't think of 10 blushes that I love because I just keep going back to like MAC and NARS, but I will say Jouer came out with 3 in this color. I kind of went a little overboard right now, whoops. It's pigmented, it's beautiful, and it's just like a pretty wash of color. I don't really know how to explain it, but the point is I really like the color. If you have issues drinking water like me and get dehydrated like me, get one of these and put it next to your desk. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm like the worst friend in the entire world because in a video I have yet to use Jackie's Artist Couture La Peach bronzer or the La Bronze bronzer because I'm a jerk and that's gonna change right now. So obviously Jackie Aina came out with her collab with Mac Daddy's Artist Couture, which by the way, just launched in Sephora. Mac Daddy Angel is like the nicest human being in the world and also one of the most hardest working. So I'm like super happy for him and Jackie for this collab. I'm gonna use La Peach on me because it's just screaming my name right now. Oh my God, you guys. It's like a really pretty rose goldy situation. Okay, at this point I'm mixing La Bronze and La Peach. A little La Bronze in here, a little La Peach in here. Make a little concoction. Glow. What started as being touches of my face, I just dripped my entire face in. Now I feel like Mac Daddy / Jackie. So this is how they get that glow. You know, you always see people on the gram and you're like, how do they get it to be so intense? How? Wait, is it weird that I like my lighting better like this? I think I'm just gonna switch it mid-video. Oh my God, I feel like I can see myself. You guys, please tell me at the end of this video which lighting situation you like better. Did you like with all the bright, intense lights, or do you like this with just the ring light? I happen to like just the ring light. It feels like my skin color can actually be seen through. If you're trying to start a YouTube channel, sometimes it just like is overcomplicating to add all the fancy stuff. It's like, stresses me out. Next up, what do we do? What do we do? Oh my God, another YouTuber's product, Dominique Latte. So this is Kristen Dominique's debut product for Dominique Cosmetics. I've been fortunate enough to meet a lot of YouTubers, but Jackie and Kristen are probably 2 of my favorite. They are just so kind and so sweet and super supportive. I'm really excited to try this because all the colors look really fun. So I think I'm gonna use, because it's my go-tos, doing a hazelnut or a pumpkin spice. Look at that pigment that just came off. I knew she would not put anything together that wouldn't do us brown chicks right. Okay, now I'm gonna take like a blending brush situation and smooth out the crease. Take some of that orange underneath. This color is so good. This is one of those palettes I'm trying right now thinking I wish I knew how to do eyeshadow. Because I really don't, but it's that palette that makes me wish I could because the colors are so fun. If you're a brown chick and you love some fun colors, these are very brown girl friendly. This hazelnut color is really pretty, so I'm gonna figure out some way to incorporate it. Wait, I kind of feel like I look like I know what I'm doing. That like looks good, right? Okay, I'm gonna take this macchiato and do it in the corner. After using all these YouTubers products, I feel like I look like an actual YouTuber for like once. I'm into it. Okay, what should I do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? I think I'm out of new products to test. Oh my God, duh. Okay, this Bad Gal Bang mascara is going like viral. It completely makes your lashes look like crazy, and there's like pictures of people using like one of their eyes with it and one without. So let me try that right now. Will it live up to the hype? Benefit's Their Real mascara used to be like my favorite. I switched to L'Oreal Voluminous. To this day, nothing compares to Better Than Sex and Voluminous. It's supposed to be a bigger, badder, volumizing mascara. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think, but I don't think it's revolutionary. You know what I've noticed as a theme so far? All the new products I've tested from brands that are influencer ones are dope. Other brands YouTubers are taking over the beauty game. Okay, I don't hate this mascara, you guys. I mean, for not having any lashes on, that looks pretty legit. I'm not mad at it at all. I don't have any new liners to test out, so I'm just gonna go grab the lip. Okay, so this is Retro from Nude Sticks, and I really, really, really have been loving all the nude sticks I've ever tried. You guys, this brand is really dope. I don't know, I just like everything about it. I think it's a really smart brand. They started with these like pencil situations, they're expanding outwards, but I really like this color. I look so weird when I put on makeup. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Now that my hair is did, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. The biggest thing I hope to take out of this is you guys giving me feedback on lighting, because I just don't know what to do anymore. And if you want the links to all the products I talked about, they're in the description below. So go and check that out, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.